So Chris, I'm doing this individual video for you. I'd be doing this in class too if I was seeing some errors. So this is from Origo 7.3, and I just drew the boxes that there's 21, 27, and 33. And I like that you were saying that there's going to be toy cars in here. So I'm going to go off of your idea, and I'm hoping that by me doing this you might see the error, because what I'm seeing you're doing is that you're having lots of decimals, and at this point we're not dealing with decimals. I know that we did earlier, but we're basically trying to do whole numbers. So the first thing, you did this correct, where you decided what was going to be in the box, and we said toy cars. So I'm going to do this one, and then I'd like you to go back and look at this problem and this problem after I've done this video. Okay, now we need to divide what's in this box evenly by 4 people. Okay, so I'm going to pretend that I've got Chris, and let's see, I've got Ben, and how about I'll have Dominic, and how about Dalton? Okay, so I've got 4 friends that are dividing the 21 cars evenly. Well, Chris, I'm going to go a little bit quick on this because I know you're pretty fluent with math. So the thing that I know is that 4 times something does not equal 21. So it's not divisible. I know I'm going to have a remainder. So but I do know that 4 times 5 equals 20. Okay, so what that means is that I know that if I have 4 boys, I can take 5 cars. I can give each boy 5 cars. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm just going to have a line equal a car. So I know that Chris, you can have 5, and Ben can have 5, and Dominic can have 5, and Dalton can have 5. And if I take all of these cars together, I have 20 cars. So what I want to be doing now is that if I divide 21, divide by 4, which is what I've done here. I've taken 21 cars and I've divided by 4 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see that I have 5 cars in each group, but then there is 1 car left over. So my answer is going to be 5 remainder 1. Okay, so this is what I'd like you to do with 27 and 33. I'd like you to divide each of these numbers by 4. I don't want decimals. What I do want is I want you to have, you're going to have the whole number, and then you are going to have a remainder. And I would like to see what the remainder is going to be. You can do this with a picture, if that would work. Or you can do it like with tally marks. But in each case, your things in the box are being divided by 4. So again, it would be 21 divided by 4, 27 divided by 4, and then 33 divided by 4. So this is the work that I want to see you. So I will send this YouTube video to your grandma in her message, and I'm hoping that she'll be able to see this, and that you can then correct your work for this. Okay, I sure do appreciate the work that you've done, but just like in class, if I see an error, I'm going to have you think about this a little bit more. Okay, hopefully this helps. Bye, sweetie.